In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a deal in Pipedrive. We'll walk through this from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Pipedrive, you can follow along and feel confident about what you're doing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, accurate deal that fits right into your existing pipelines. First, once you're logged into Pipedrive, look towards the top of the screen for the Deals tab. It's usually represented by a little dollar icon. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to your main Deals dashboard, where you can see all of your open opportunities. In the top right corner, you'll see a green button that says Plus Deal or Add Deal. Click that to start creating a new deal. A new deal window or panel will open. One of the first things Pipedrive will ask you for is the person or organization associated with this deal. In the person or organization field, start typing the name. Pipedrive will automatically search your existing contacts. If the contact already exists, just click on the suggestion to link it. This keeps your CRM clean and makes sure all emails, calls, and notes are connected to the right record. If it doesn't find a match, you can still type in the full name and create a new contact right from here. Next, set up the basic details of the deal itself. You'll see a field for deal title. Make this descriptive enough that anyone on your team can understand it at a glance. For example, website redesign for Acme or annual subscription renewal. Then, enter the deal value. This is usually the expected revenue or contract amount. Right next to that, choose the correct currency from the drop-down. This is especially important if you work with international clients or track different regions, so your reports and forecasts stay accurate. After that, choose where this deal should live in your sales process. You'll see an option to select the pipeline. If your account has multiple pipelines, like new business or renewals, pick the one that best matches this opportunity. Then choose the specific stage within that pipeline, such as qualified, proposal sent, or whatever stages your team uses. Placing the deal in the right stage helps everyone understand how far along it is and what needs to happen next. Once you've filled out these fields and everything looks correct, go ahead and click Save. Pipedrive will create the deal and take you to its detail view, where you can add activities, notes, and emails later. And that's all you need to set up a deal in Pipedrive.